Good day! In the first half of our presentation, we will be focusing on environmental awareness and protection. Before discussing its importance and how to promote it, we will define what environmental awareness and protection is all about. Environmental awareness is defined as the growth and development of awareness, understanding, and consciousness towards the biophysical environment and its problems. In connection to environmental awareness, environmental protection is the practice of protecting the natural environment by individuals, organizations, and governments. To continue, being environmentally aware and ready to protect the environment is important. It is our duty as inhabitants of this planet to protect and promote sustainable development for future generations to come. If we do not protect our planet, this can lead to environmental degradation which can affect the quality of life.
Severe tropical storm Maring continues to bring heavy rainfall in the province of Ilocos Norte. In the barangay Saud, Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte, around 20 houses got flooded as the creek in the...
Due to the inclement weather brought by Typhoon Maring, high winds and heavy rain occurred, resulting in flooding and landslides. Due to the floods, it has induced severe impacts in both the human and natural environment. But to think of it, what we experienced is the effect of our actions. The tropical storm Maring set off a landslide while others were swept away by strong waves and flash floods. Environmental degradation has caused these events to happen due to deforestation, industrialization, and so much more. To combat environmental degradation, there are many ways to prevent and control the situation. Not only can we combat the issue of floods and landslides, but in general, we can combat environmental problems that affect the lives of people living in both rural and urban areas.
Actions can be made if one has no knowledge on what to do. Action must start within ourselves. We are the starting point to reach what we aim for, because we are the ones responsible for most of the environmental issues. We should be responsible for environmental solutions. To suggest solutions, we can create organizational groups promoting environmental awareness and protection. This can encourage young adults like us to do activities that are beneficial to our environment. We also need to promote proper waste management to control unnecessary waste that can pollute the waters, especially when floods occur. We can also vouch for the construction of flood control infrastructures such as levees, seawalls, and tide gates that work as physical barriers to prevent or reduce areas from flooding. Suggesting construction of dikes, dams, and reservoirs is also possible to hold water during times of flooding. The major reason behind landslides is due to the lesser number of trees holding the soil, which is the effect of illegal logging and improper cutting of trees. We must promote tree planting activities and set strict regulations on forest zones. Now, let's start making efforts that are beneficial to our mother nature, because at the end of the day, it is our planet and it is our responsibility to do so. May these actions be the stepping stone to make our environment the safest place for each and every one of us.
Hello everyone, my name is CUENCA and I will be your guest speaker in this session. So today, we will talk about water conservation. To start this discussion, we will answer first the question, why should we conserve water? Each and every one of us depends on water wherever we go. When we're thirsty, we need water. When we want to clean something, we need water. When we want to put out fire, we need water. And the list goes on and on. Based on the water cycle, the amount of fresh water and usable water on Earth is only limited. Therefore, to minimize the effects of drought and shortage of water, we should be mindful of the ways on how to conserve it to preserve our environment. Water conservation is not a job done by professionals, but it should be a habit every individual must have. If individuals do not have the knowledge on how to conserve water, this would be one of the causes of scarcity, and it would result in rising costs and political conflict. So what are the ways to conserve water? The earth is mostly covered or surfaced by water more than land. And out of all the richness of water covering the earth, only 1% is the fresh water, which we are using and drinking every day. Fresh water is the water form that is required and needed by our body all day, all night, and 24/7. The demand of fresh water by humans is endless and high. As always, the rate of demand is growing every day, and it is inevitable that shortage of water will happen. The shortage of fresh water needed by humans is slowly being experienced by the people in different parts of the world, in different countries, and in different areas. Along with these problems, there should also be a proposed solution, and that is for the people to follow. We are all aware of what we call water conservation. Water conservation is an act of people to save and conserve water. By doing this slowly and consistently, we can actually avoid the shortage of water in the near future. The real question is how to conserve water. In this topic, we are going to suggest some of the proper and safe way in conserving water. We can start by the basics example in our home. First, turn off the taps and faucets. Turn it off. Don't leave it running. It will go to waste and will not be able to be used for drinking anymore. The consumption of water must be controlled, and we must learn how to save water. Second, shower with less. Choose a water-saving shower head. It will allow you to lather up in less water. In this case, you can save water and also save your bill. Third, save up your dirty clothes. By washing full of clothes in a machine, uses less water and energy. Fourth, catch rainwater. By doing this, you can save water in your tap, and you can use the rainwater you have saved to garden or wash your car. Fifth, boil what you need. Only boil the amount of water that you need. It can save you money, water, and energy. Other ways to conserve water from the internet are: check your toilet for leaks. Stop using toilet as an ashtray or waste basket. Put a plastic bottle in your toilet tank. Take shorter showers. Take baths. Turn off your water while brushing your teeth. Check faucets and pipes for leaks. Use a broom to clean driveways, sidewalks, and steps. Don't run the hose while washing your car. And lastly, tell your children not to play with the hose and sprinklers. So that is it for our today's topic. I hope you learned something and would apply it to yourself. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.
Heal the earth. Heal our future.
No pollution is the only solution.
A drop a day, waste to water away.
Trees are life, don't cut them.
Don't be greedy. It's time to start thinking greeny.
A better environment for a better tomorrow.
If you can't reuse it, refuse it.
Save water today or tomorrow will pay.
More plantations, less starvation.